Hey, Daud here. Can the PMP certification really boost your career? Let's find out. The Forbes magazine says that the median salary of PMP certified professionals increased from about 114,000 to around 136,000. That is about 18.6% increase. The CIO magazine says that PMP is one of the top paying certifications in the world. While the Global Knowledge found out that PMP is the fifth highest grossing certification in the world. The average salary drawn by PMP certified is about 143,000. Now, the PMI or Project Management Institute has done many surveys and research. In one such survey, they found that within the United States, the PMP certified professionals earn 25% more than the non-PMPs. In another survey that they did over 37 countries, they found that the PMP certifieds earn 23% more than the non-PMPs. In one other research that they did, which is very interesting, that by 2027, there will be 22 million new project management related jobs that will be created. So there is a lot of demand of project management profession or professionals in the world in the coming years. So what's your plan? Is this something you're gonna do?